Hi guys, I'm Santosh and I'm back with another small cap stock. So this stock is from chemical sector. This is Excel Industries, and this stock was in a downtrend for almost 7 months now, and clearly it is forming a strong base. After taking a bottom at 840 levels, it has taken a strong support here, a long-term support in fact, and now it's restarted its rally. So before analyzing technical things, we will first talk about its fundamentals, because that is the key for all of our investments. Without strong fundamentals, we will never jump into any stock, even though the technical chart looks good or whatever may be the case. Only the fundamentals, uh, you know it should meet a decent, you know the expectations. Only then we will consider taking a position in this stock based on the technical analysis. Yeah, so for looking into fundamentals, I generally follow ticker tape for the purpose. You can follow the same if you like. So I'm searching for Excel Industries here. Yeah, so here you can clearly see that the current share price of Excel Industries is way below its intrinsic value, which means it has, you know, it is available at a decent valuation. So this is the good time for taking a fresh position, uh, for those who are looking for short-term returns. This should be considered. Now, if you look at the P ratio, which is 16.51, and this is way less than sectoral PE. The same case with PB ratio, where it is 1.38 for Excel Industries, when it is 3.32 for sectoral, which means it is available at a cheaper price. Yeah. So to look into its financials, I'll better open another website, which is Screener, the most popular one. If you look at the balance sheet here, since the past 10 years, the company is more focused on increasing its reserves. You can clearly see this. It's continuously increasing, and this is a good sign, because any company should uh, have decent returns, reserves, in order to sustain for a longer period. When there is any uncertainty in the market, or going on globally, then you need some funds to sustain the company, right? So this is a good sign. And also, if you look at the fixed assets, they are also more focused on fixed assets, and the fixed assets are also increasing year on year, which is also a good sign. And uh, and uh, you know what, this company has now big players part in it, in its shareholding. As of December 2021, LIC is holding 7% of stake in this company, and financial institutions, banks are also holding near to 7% in this company, and it has foreign institutional holdings as well, and mutual funds holdings as well. So there is nothing wrong with the company, which is the company, from the chart whatever we are seeing here, it's a decent correction, because the stock jumped from 800 to 1240 within no time. So it has to correct some at some point, and now it is the time. It clearly formed a strong base here. Yeah, so we'll look into its technical aspects now. Let me just draw a trend line here. the stock is taking a continuous support on this trend line, and this is the greatest support for this stock. So, and also uh, you know after its continuous downward trend, this stock was broken out on 6th January. It gave a breakout from this trend line, and now it's retesting this trend line level. So once it's starts moving positively from this trend line, then we can expect a decent return from here, at least 10%. you know uh, the first target ideally should be 1080, which is followed by 1150. Yeah, this can be achieved you know in short period of time. When everything is going well, there is nothing stopping uh, this stock to move in the positive direction. So before taking any position in this stock, talk to your stock advisor or your financial analyst, and you know or do your own analysis on this stock, and then consider taking a position in this stock, because I'm not the one who is going to take the profits you generate or the losses you make, right? So do your own analysis, and then consider taking or withdrawing a position in this stock. Yeah, so that's about it. That's it for today. I'll catch up again with another interesting topic. Yeah, thank you.